Welcome to our next video. Today we went to Little America, which is a truck stop in Flagstaff, Arizona, and we had a shower and bath to ourselves, private, unlimited time for only $13. Okay, so we're at Little America, which is a truck stop, and we got all of this to ourselves. Isn't that nice? Oh yeah. Plus, this bathtub's really big for $13. And you can share a shower for $13. Right, Dwayne?
I'm clean.
Thanks for watching our video. Come get a shower for $13 in Flagstaff. It's awesome. We do it once a year. Yay us! Talk to you later.